the line, he bowls to the spin.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. That is six. That is just magnificent batting. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going.
That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Missed that completely. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. Wide ball signaled by the umpire.
Here is a fielder at the extra cover. Strokes it into the gap for a single.
Pacer introduced from the other end.
Deep point in place. Straight up in the air, and that's a six. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. Can you do it again?
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. The ball had off to the boundary, see you later, written all over it. No ball called.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Plays and misses. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant.
Edged and taken. Has to walk back to the pavilion. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. edged and taken. Has to walk back to the pavilion. Change in the bowling, pacer being brought back.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant.
Oh, shot, but only a single.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
That has made some serious damage. Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Wide ball signaled by the umpire.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Pacer introduced from the other end.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
Plays and misses. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Trying to up the run rate there. A very loose shot in the end. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
That's six. He picked up the length very early. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best.
Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Change in the bowling, pacer being brought back. What a match this has been. It's a jam-packed stadium here today, witnessing an edge-of-the-seat thriller here. Oh, that was a seriously quick ball.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt.
There is a fielder at cover.
Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery. He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series.
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide.
It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the short one.
Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
Brilliant pickup and throw, and that looks out.
And that's it. A brilliant performance from the bowlers. They bowled good lines all day. In the end,
Let's congratulate